Hey there! Today we're going to be making some sea salt pretzels and some cinnamon sugar pretzels. Let's get what we need. We're going to start by combining our water, sugar, yeast, and melted butter in a clean bowl. The recipe will be in the description box down below. Now I'll just put that aside and let's get our dry ingredients. Now we're going to add in our salt and flour to this. If you have a stand mixer, you can use a dough hook to make this easier. If not, you can just do this by hand. You can just start slowly adding in the flour to this mixture. I do have some flour to the side that I will need for the counter. Just start slowly incorporating it all. At this point, you can switch to your hand so you can feel the dough. You don't want it too wet or too dry. You can always get a little bit more if you need. Start incorporating it until it's nice and smooth. Once the dough starts to come together, it's time to take it out and start kneading it. Just lightly flour your counter. I use too much, but you can just use a little bit at a time and start kneading this. Once your dough is nice, smooth, and springy, we can put it in a lightly oiled bowl, or you can put it in an airtight container. We're just going to let it rise for a bit. Here I'm just placing it in a lightly oiled bowl where I'm going to be covering with saran wrap. You can always use a towel as well. Let it set for at least an hour, and then you can preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Once your dough has had plenty of time to rise, we're going to roll it out and start making our pretzel shapes. Once you've shaped all your pretzels, we're going to do a baking soda bath. So you're going to need 3 quarts or 12 cups of water, half a cup of baking soda, and we're going to bring this to a boil. Once it does, we can dunk our pretzels and then put it on a sheet pan. These will bake for about 15 to 18 minutes or until they're golden brown. After the baking soda bath, we can do an egg wash on this. It's just 1 egg and a little bit of water. Just coat the pretzels with this. You can choose your topping. You can do sea salt chunks, or you can do the cinnamon sugar on top. And again, once you're done putting your toppings, just stick this in the oven at 425 for 15 to 18 minutes or until you notice them get golden brown. Here are the sea salt and cinnamon sugar pretzels. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay sweet!